In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place text, explore more font options, apply a font you like, and neatly group your elements so your layout stays organized. First, open the Adobe Express app on your computer, give it a moment to load, and make sure you're signed in. Being logged in ensures your projects, fonts, and changes sync properly, and you won't hit any saving or access issues later. From the left sidebar, you can either open something you've already started by choosing your stuff, or kick off something fresh with Start New Design. If you're starting new, go ahead and click New Design to create a blank canvas. This gives you a clean space to try out fonts without distractions. Next, look to the left side and open the text panel. Click Add Text to place a text placeholder onto your canvas. You'll see a default text box appear. Click that text you just added to select it so any changes you make apply to the right element. With the text selected, go back to the left side and open the font drop-down. This is where you see the fonts currently available to your project. To broaden your choices, click More Fonts. This opens a larger library where you can preview different styles and find something that matches your brand or message. Take a moment to scan the options. Clean sans serifs work well for modern designs, while serifs can feel more editorial. When you find a sample font you like, click it to apply it to your selected text. You should see the text update instantly so you can judge readability, weight, and vibe right on your canvas. A quick tip as you evaluate: consider contrast and size. If your background is busy, choose a bolder or simpler font so your words stay legible. Also, check spacing. A slight tweak to letter or line spacing can make a big difference in polish. Once you're happy with your font choice and any text adjustments, it's helpful to keep related elements together. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard and click the two items you want to keep aligned. This could be your text and a video or another graphic element. With both selected, go to the top of the screen and click Group. Grouping locks their relationship, making it easier to move or resize them as a unit without losing your layout. And that's it. You opened Adobe Express, added text, explored more fonts, applied your favorite, and grouped your elements for a clean, consistent design. Save your project, and you're ready to reuse this as setup across future designs.